Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, we got a story started this past Monday 2 days ago, and that is the Norwegian Escape. So the Norwegian Escape was leaving the Dominican Republic out on a normal cruise, and due to some very high winds that hit the side of the ship, caused the ship to go off course and to ground herself onto a sandbar bow first. So the bow went whoop right into the sandbar, and the Norwegian Escape got stuck. Okay, now you may have already heard this story because, like I said, it began 2 days ago, but I wanted to get it all the way to the conclusion, find out what happened after the actual grounding before I told this story. So back to Monday, the Norwegian Escape now stuck on a sandbar in the Dominican Republic. They attempted to get her off, a couple of tugboats hooked up, tried to pull her off on Monday off of the sandbar. They were unable to do so simply because it was a lower tide time, and they just were unable to pull it off. So the plan was to wait until Tuesday morning during high tide. The tugboats then were going to try to pull the Norwegian Escape off again, and they were successful. Once the Norwegian Escape was freed from the sandbar, she redocked in the Dominican Republic in order to inspect the bow, look for any damage, to make sure the vessel was seaworthy before continuing on her voyage. Passengers were allowed to get off the ship again and enjoy the cruise port there in the Dominican Republic for a second day. However, the inspection revealed that the bow of the ship is going to need further inspection and is going to need some repairs. And unfortunately, this means that the remainder of the Norwegian Escape's cruise and the next upcoming cruise have been canceled. Now, the Norwegian Escape is going to remain in the Dominican Republic. The passengers are going to be offloaded there and then flown back to the United States or back to their home port. And of course, will also be receiving a full refund for their cruise. Now, no crew members were injured. No passengers were injured. And we don't know the exact extent of the damage to the Norwegian Escape, other than it needs further inspection and some minor repairs at this time. But it is enough that it has canceled the current and next cruise. And this is an example of what high winds and weather can do to a cruise ship. You know, so when you hear those stories that cruise ships don't go to ports over weather, over wind, over wave conditions and sea conditions, this is why. Because here, this is just an example of something that Mother Nature can do to a cruise ship, and why certain decisions are made and cruise ports aren't visited when it comes to weather-related issues. And now that we know all the passengers are safe and we know all of the crew is safe, now I'm waiting for the jokes to start coming. I mean, come on. The Norwegian Escape couldn't escape the sandbar. I could just hear the jokes and the memes coming already. You know they're coming. But, alright, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.